Today you can build a professional website in just a few minutes using tools like Google AI Studio, Lovable, Bold, Replit, Anti-Gravity, and many more. These tools are fantastic at generating beautiful websites, landing pages, and even web application. But once your website is ready, that's where most people get stuck. The website alone is not enough to run a business. Once your website goes live, you still need a way to capture leads, manage customer information, send automatic inquiries, and make sure every inquiry is stored safely instead of getting lost. This is where most people end up using multiple tools, paying for different subscriptions, and spending hours trying to connect everything together. That's exactly why I wanted to explore GoHighLevel. Instead of just building website, it also gives you a built-in CRM, lead management, email automation, forms, and many much more, all inside a single platform. So in this video, I will show you how to build a professional AI website using HighLevel's AI website builder. Then we will connect a contact form, capture a real lead inside the CRM so you can see how everything works together from start to finish. So if you are looking for an all-in-one platform to grow your business, you can start your 14-day free trial using the link in the description. It's completely free, giving you plenty of time to build your website, explore CRM, create sales funnels, automate emails, manage leads, and discover everything HighLevel has to offer. So now let's get started. Now simply sign up using the link in description. Once you have created your account, you will be taken to the main HighLevel dashboard. As you can see, HighLevel offers a wide range of tools for managing and growing your business. But in this video, we are going to focus only one thing, to building a website with AI. Now there are 3 different ways you can build a website inside HighLevel. The first is the traditional drag and drop website builder, where you can build everything manually. The second one is AI website builder, which generates a complete website for you using AI and lets you customize it afterwards. And the third is AI Studio, where you can simply describe the website you want using natural language only, and HighLevel builds it for you. Since I am a big fan of vibe coding and AI-powered development, this is the method I will be using throughout this tutorial because it's the fastest and easiest way to build a professional website. Now, if you don't see AI Studio in the left sidebar, don't worry, it's very easy to enable. Simply go to Settings, then in Labs, search for AI Studio or AI and just turn it on. Once it's enabled, you will find AI Studio in the left sidebar. Now let's open it. This is the interface you will see. Now let's build our first AI-powered website. Instead of creating a regular business website, let's build something a little more exciting, a futuristic drone manufacturing company website. So I will simply describe the type of website I want, including the business, design style, and the section I need, and let AI generate the entire website for me. I am just submitting the prompt and see what it creates. As you can see, AI is now building the complete website. In just few seconds, AI Studio has generated a complete professional dark theme website for our futuristic drone manufacturing company. As you can see, it has created a premium hero section, a model navigation menu, product and technology section, industries we serve, customer testimonials, FAQs, and even a fully functional request a demo form at the bottom of the page. Honestly, this is a great starting point. The color code and theme is good. And one thing I like about AI Studio is that it doesn't stop after generating the first version. It also suggests improvement that you apply with just one click. You will also notice it's asking me to connect this website with a CRM. We will do that a little later because first I want to make this website even more impressive. Right here, AI Studio is suggesting that I add a 3D interactive drone viewer to the hero section. That sounds pretty cool. So let's give it a try. I simply click on the suggestion and AI Studio immediately start working on it. The best part is I don't have to write anything, another prompt or anything like that, manually edit any page. AI understands and the request and start updating the website automatically. And wow, just look at that. AI Studio has completely transformed the hero section. Instead of static image, it has added a beautiful 3D interactive drone viewer. As I move my cursor around the screen, the drone responds to my mouse movement, giving a website a much more premium and futuristic feel. And this is something I really like about AI Studio. It doesn't just generate a website and stop here, it continuously suggesting improvements that can make your website even better. For example, right below, it's now recommending that I can add floating telemetry data tooltips over 3D drone model, which should make the hero section look even more futuristic. So let's apply that also and see how it looks. First, it added this beautiful interactive 3D drone viewer, and after that, floating telemetry tooltips. Also, after that, it took things a step further by replacing those simple tooltips with interactive buttons. Now, when someone clicks on different drone component like AI module or whatever, detailed HUD style specification panel open with animation, progress bar, live telemetry, and technical information. It's good, very good, I think. And it's didn't stop there. AI Studio even suggested adding an animated flight path in background. You can see this. Now, a drone flying across the city with glowing waypoints, animated flight paths, and smooth motion effects that makes the entire hero section feel incredibly futuristic. And finally, I wanted to push AI Studio even further to see what it was really capable of. So I asked it to create something much more futuristic and exploit view animation for the drone. And just look at this. It added a new exploit view button right beside hero section. Now when I click it, the drone doesn't just rotate or animate. It actually breaks apart into multiple individual components, revealing a glowing energy core in the center. You can see this. The particles effects and smooth animation making it feel like something straight out of the sci-fi movie. And when I click resemble, every single component smoothly comes back together to recreate the original drone. Honestly, this is feel incredible. Now that our website is ready, let's connect to a HighLevel's built-in CRM and see what happens when a visitor submits a request demo form. All I need to do is give AI Studio a simple prompt asking it to connect this website with the CRM. So I have already entered the prompt, and as you can see, AI Studio has started working on it. Just like before, after a few seconds, the connect button appears. Here you can see this. I simply click on connect now, and HighLevel starts configuring everything automatically. Now what this is going to do is connect all the forms on this website directly to the CRM. Every form submission will be captured automatically, and each inquiry will even have its own tracking ID, making it much easier to manage your leads. So within just 10 to 20 seconds, it's done. Now it's asking me to test the connection. So let's do exactly that. I will just open the live preview of this website and fill out the request demo form just like a real customer. I will enter my name, my email, I will choose the agriculture as the industry, and I will just add a short message like we need drones or something like that way, and I will just simply click on submit button. And perfect. As you can see, I instantly get a confirmation message saying that my inquiry has been received successfully. Now let's see if it actually working or not. So I will go back to the HighLevel dashboard, open the contact section, and yes, here it is. You can see my new lead has been created automatically with my name along with email address, industry, and the proper message I submitted. You will also notice that there are few simple contacts already available, but our new inquiry has been captured perfectly. Now let's open the contact, And this is where things get really interesting. Here you can see all the information related to this lead in one place. You will find out the contact details, all activity timeline with timestamps, communication history, available action, notes, and everything you need to manage that customer. That isn't just a simple contact list, it's a complete CRM built right into the same platform. And the best part, no manual work, no copying information from emails, no connecting any other tools and anything, no separate spreadsheet. Everything is automatically captured and organized for you. The moment someone submit your website form, you can create multiple forms, you can capture multiple leads like this way. Now keep in mind what we built today is just a small example what GoHighLevel can do. We only explored AI website building, CRM integration, and lead management. But the platform also includes marketing automation, sales funnel, email campaigns, calendars, websites, forms, workflows, reputation management, and many other powerful business tools, all inside a single platform. So if you are a freelancer, agency owner, startup, or small business owner looking for all-in-one solution, HighLevel is definitely worth checking out. Instead of paying for multiple tools and trying to connect everything together, you can manage your entire business from one dashboard only. Now, once you are happy with your website, publishing is incredibly simple. You just go back to the AI Studio where we are making the website, and in the top right corner, you will see a publish button. Just click on it. Choose your publishing option. If you want to change the domain name and anything, and within few moments your website will be live on internet, ready for customers. Honestly, I'm really impressed with how simple this entire process is, from generating a website with AI to customizing it, connecting it with CRM, and finally publishing it. It all happens inside one platform only, and very simple way. So, if you like to build a website like this for your own business, you can start your 14-day free trial using the link in the description below. Follow this tutorial step by step, explore all the features by yourself, and see if HighLevel is the right fit for your business or not. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any upcoming AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.